Good morning, everyone. This is Tara Sewell, internal wholesaler with Financial Markets. Thank you for joining us today. Your lines are muted, but if you have a question, please reach out to your internal wholesaler after the call with your questions and comments. The most beautiful way to start any day is with a grateful heart. And here at Financial Markets, we are grateful for you. Without you and your clients, our firm and the insurance companies you solicit would not be where we are today. Again, thank you. Congratulations to Stephen, the winner of our fall drawing. He received the espresso machine, and congratulations to our runners-up. Today, we will be drawing for our FMI Agent's $500 Amazon Christmas shopping spree, and Vice President Neil Sperling will show us some secret tools for your success. With 16 days left until Christmas, this is perfect timing for our FMI Agent Christmas shopping spree. For every application submitted between October 7th and December 2nd, producers received one ticket for every application submitted, $10,000 in annuity premium and $1,000 in anticipated life, MedSup, DI, or long-term care premium. Double tickets were received for every application submitted with our premier carriers, and triple tickets were earned for every case submitted and placed before December 2nd. Today, one producer will win a $500 Amazon gift card, and 4 runners-up will receive a $50 gift card. Only producers who are registered on the call at the time their name is drawn will qualify as a finalist. Today, the odds are in your favor. There are a total of 2,706 tickets in the hat. Your name can only be drawn once. And again, you must be pre-registered with your full name on the call when I draw your name and on the call for the duration in order to win. Now, let's get started with our first finalist. So we have our hat here. I'm going to shuffle it one more time. And we're going to drop those tickets into the hat. And let's draw our first finalist. Lisa Ware with 228 tickets in the hat. Neil Sperling is helping me today. Neil, is Lisa on the call?
Thank you, Tara. And Lisa is on the call, so congratulations.
Congratulations. You are our first finalist, Lisa. Now, there's many great tools and resources available to you on our website, fmiAgent.com. Many producers take advantage of the Advanced Marketing Resources section. Here you will find non-branded and branded materials for business and personal financial planning concepts related to annuities, critical illness, life insurance, long-term care, and disability income. The next time you're on the website, take a look at the virtual sales assistant in the Advanced Marketing Resources section. Explore the other resources. It will surely elevate your sales processes. Now on to our second finalist. Babu Varghese with 42 tickets in the hat. Is Babu on the call?
Do not have Babu on the call. However, we have several persons indicating they're not able to hear. So stand by. Let me do a sound check. Just a moment.
Okay. So our second finalist, we are still looking for our second finalist. We have Lisa Ware so far, and we're looking for our second finalist. Dean Harrington with 5 tickets in the hat. Is Dean on the call?
Tara, Dean is not on the call.
Okay, again, you do have to be on the call when I draw your name in order to qualify. And looks like we are drawing Lisa Ware again. She's already a finalist, so we are, again, looking for a second producer to qualify. Jennifer Hamrick with 188 tickets. Is Jennifer on the call?
Jennifer is on the call.
Congratulations, Jennifer. You are our second finalist. And we are going to look for our third finalist. Chelsea Slavin with 46 tickets. Is Chelsea on the call?
Chelsea is not on the call, Tara.
Okay, we're going to draw again. We're looking for our third finalist. And With 228 tickets in the hat, we're drawing Lisa Ware again. She's our first finalist. Steve Adamson with 49 tickets. Is Steve on the call, Neil?
Let's take a look here. And Steve Adamson is present.
All right. Congratulations, Steve. You are our third finalist for the $500 Amazon gift card. Now, today, Neil Sperling will be sharing with us some unique approaches and topics to assist us in our prospecting, our sales, and successful underwriting. Neil?
Right, very good. Hey, thank you, Tara, and good luck to those with tickets in the drawing. A big thank you for all on the call today for trusting financial markets with your brokerage business. You know, each quarter, our wholesalers get together and decide on a topic to share during our current giveaway drawing. In the meeting for this quarter, there were so many good ideas they wanted to share that we decided to do a list of top 10 unique topics where at least one might spark an idea for you to make a sale or at least be aware of its ability. So today, we'll hit these top 10 sales ideas, but first, I'd like to point out an important day in our collective history. Each year on December 7th, and yesterday, December 7th, marked 81 years since the attack on the United States Pearl Harbor located on the island of Oahu, Hawaii, which is west of Honolulu. The Japanese Admiral Isoroku Yamamoto, who planned the attack, reportedly wrote in his diary, "I fear all we have done is to awaken a sleeping giant and fill him with a terrible resolve." He was right, and a resolve our country displayed shortly following by becoming involved in World War II. While Christmas is near us, I cannot help but sometimes wonder what the world would look like without the resolve shown by those men and women in the greatest generation. Today, I'd like to express on behalf of all of us here at Financial Markets, it's because of all of those that do serve and have served that we have the privilege to meet here today in this great nation. Thank you for your service and sacrifice. While we're going to cover some interesting topics today, please keep us employed on your team. We are here to make you look good. With over 30 quality insurance carriers and educated process teams, lean on us with your day-to-day needs for everything annuity and life insurance. Okay, so let's move on to the topics for today. Who gives non-smoker life insurance rates for marijuana users? What company issues a $500,000 term to a 75-year-old with no exam? We'll also learn about a carrier offering a child term rider with no health questions. And once those kids get a little older, how about starting them off by saving $100 per month in an index annuity? What is the value of the business your client owns? We'll find out where you can get a no-cost business valuation for your business owner clients. How about a carrier with a life insurance product series designed specifically for diabetics? We will find out which carrier offers that. And I thought lifetime long-term care benefits were no longer sold, but we will learn which carrier is issuing that risk. How about legacy IRAs with the new IRS rules? We've got options for those index annuities. And finally, we'll show you a truly non-med term and whole life product which allows even insulin-dependent diabetics to qualify. So grab a pen and some paper to write down prospect names as we go through these topics. According to the internet, and we all know that if it's on the internet, it must be true, now 21 states allow legal use of marijuana without a specific medical need. While it is still illegal at a federal level, it does not seem to be enforced, and your insurance carriers are recognizing that and responding with newer criteria to make it easier for your clients using marijuana to qualify for favorable life insurance rates. So which carriers are those? Listed here are the carriers offering non-smoker or non-tobacco rates on life insurance products to persons using recreational marijuana. The first column is the carrier. The second column shown is the best possible risk class they may qualify for if they admit to using marijuana. And the final column is the max usage per month. While there is no technical way for a carrier to test through labs the frequency the client uses the drug, this is the frequency the client would admit to on the application and may be verified through the medical records. While it probably goes without saying, the client must still not use nicotine products and test negative for nicotine in their labs, but the client is allowed to test positive for marijuana use and still obtain a very low cost rate. Even, as you can see here, with Securian, they will allow persons at a non-tobacco plus risk class that admit to using marijuana as frequently as every other day. So if you have tokers, we have takers for their life insurance coverage. While since COVID, we've seen many carriers start using an accelerated underwriting program, most of those non-medical accelerated underwriting programs are limited to younger, healthier prospects to be considered for coverage without an exam. How about a person age 75 who smokes cigarettes and is taking a blood pressure and cholesterol medication? Or how about a 75-year-old that just does not want to get poked by a needle for a blood draw? We have a solution. American Amicable, rated A- by AM Best, offers a product named Term Made Simple, where there are never medical exams for persons applying age 18 to 75, up to $500,000 in coverage and up to a 30-year term, depending on age. Very occasionally, they will order medical records on a case here and there, but that's less than about 2% of the time. Here are some sample rates. Again, this coverage is issued without an exam and without fluids, so the price will be higher than a fully underwritten product. But for example, the 55-year-old you see here for a 10-year term non-med with American Amicable is $195 per month. A fully underwritten product for the same within the same parameters with another insurance company is around $100 per month. Some agents like the simplified and quick process with this product, and the clients seem to like the no needle, no hassle application process. You can check out the rates and more information on our website, or, of course, contact your internal wholesaler here at Financial Markets. Nobody wants to think of a child passing away prematurely, but this is life and it happens. Having a small amount of coverage for last expenses may be a blessing during the tragic event of losing a child. However, if a child has maybe diabetes, autism, or even something as common as asthma, they will likely be declined for a child rider on their parent's life insurance. So where can we get coverage on a parent where there are no health questions for the child rider? The answer is Banner Life. They have zero background questions about the children to be covered under their child policy. The child rider. They will issue the rider on any legal child of the insured age 15 days old until their 18th birthday. And the coverage will continue to the earlier of the policy termination, the primary insured's age 65, or the child's 25th birthday. Now, you can see the maximum amount is $10,000 in coverage, but if a husband and a wife both get individual coverage with Banner, with their own term policies, they can each add a $10,000 rider to their plans, creating a combined child rider benefit of $20,000. And $20,000 per child is the aggregate maximum allowed. Term insurance, as you know, is not the best unless it is convertible. The Banner Life child rider is convertible when the child reaches age 25 or the primary insured reaches age 65. Currently, the child rider can be converted up to $50,000 in coverage. However, please take a look at the specimen rider on our website for full details. If you have clients where their child or children may have something preventing them from getting life insurance coverage, hey, you have a great option for them here. Many of you on the call today have possibly passed up an annuity sale because the minimum initial premium limits are so high. While a few carriers will accept as little as $5,000 to start a deferred fixed or fixed index annuity, most have a minimum of $10,000 or even $20,000, but that's not the case for this carrier. National Life Group. Interestingly, National Life Group wrote more indexed life insurance than any other carrier in the US last year, and they're on track to do the same again this year. While they have a large presence in the index life insurance space, they too have very competitive fixed index annuities. And they're not only just a good fit for small premium cases, but this is certainly a unique offering. You have to get your clients started with savings through a deferred annuity with as little as $100 per month when established using bank draft monthly premiums. If they do not want to set up a bank draft, they have a minimum requirement of $5,000 to start. But if they're willing to establish a monthly bank draft, they can start with just $100. Quite unique. A lot of times when a client thinks about the value of their business, they consider the book value, simply the assets minus liabilities, and potentially a bit of the cash flow. But is that accurate? Likely not. What about the goodwill, the market share, the demand for what they do? All of those factors factor into the value of a business. You have a carrier available to you with a strong focus on business insurance, and that carrier is Principal. While they offer top shelf term life, universal life, and index UL products, they have a strong focus in the business market. With that focus, they will provide your clients with a business valuation. While this valuation is considered informal and is not suitable for IRS purposes, it will give them a fairly accurate idea of what their business is worth and how they arrived at the valuation. But why would they offer a business valuation service at no cost to your clients? Of course, to discover the many needs for the life products offered through Principal. Included with the report are sections you, as the advisor, are able to select to be shared with your clients, such as buy sell, key person, disability overhead protection, or even deferred comp plans. If you know business owners, just ask them if they know the real value of their business. You may be surprised how many of those business owners would be more than happy to share their detailed financial information with you to receive a business valuation. Ask your internal wholesaler here at Financial Markets for the Business Valuation 3-page questionnaire to get started. According to the CDC, 37.3 million people have diabetes here in the US. That represents about 11% of the total population. Considering diabetes management has come so far in the past decades, it just makes sense for an insurer to specialize in this area. In 2015, John Hancock produced an innovative concept in life insurance, and they call it Vitality. The John Hancock Vitality programs allow policyholders to receive discounts on their life insurance by participating in technology-based health and physical activity tracking. The discounts have been significant, and nearly 85% of those who purchase plans that offer the Vitality program take advantage of it. Having 85% participation in anything is a success by my standards. Doubling down on this success, John Hancock released the Aspire program, designed specifically for persons living with diabetes. While John Hancock is very good at underwriting diabetics at good rates, the Aspire program allows them to receive discounts on their coverage moving forward with similar parameters as are offered in the original Vitality plan. However, in addition to the normal Vitality plan incentives, policyholders are offered access to OnDuo. OnDuo is a digital care solution for diabetes that initially provides a diabetes kit, including blood glucose meter, at-home A1C testing kits, and unlimited test strips. Then, ongoing consults are offered through telemedicine, along with a large offering of lifestyle-related resources such as diet and exercise programs. When researching life insurance options for your clients living with diabetes, go to the expert, John Hancock, with her Aspire program. You have probably, you've seen, you probably know someone using e-cigarettes. When driving down the road, I oftentimes see a large plume of smoke escaping from a car. In this day and age, it's less likely from a regular tobacco cigarette and more likely to be one of those vapor electronic nicotine delivery machines. Are they less of a risk to mortality than regular cigarettes? Well, let's find out. In alphabetical order, here are the carriers we have in which offer non-smoker rates on life insurance to persons using nicotine in a form other than a regular cigarette. You see John Hancock, Lincoln National, and Prudential all allow cigar, pipe, gum, patch, and chewing tobacco at non-smoker rates. However, they make a clear distinction from those to e-cigarettes where tobacco rates apply. Just recently, Securian, which many of you may know as Minnesota Life, they updated their criteria to include offering non-smoker rates for persons using vape or e-cigarettes. Now, Securian requires no actual cigarette use in the past 10 years to qualify. For those who fit this criteria, they'll find rates as much as half the cost of other carriers that would consider them, at best, at smoker rates. Okay, next let's look at long-term care. From having more than 20 carriers offering long-term care insurance just 15 years ago, now to less than 6 industry-wide, benefit options have changed since the good old days. How long has it been since you heard of a long-term care policy offering lifetime benefits? Probably a while, since most carriers only offer limited benefits from 2 to 6 years. While this product is technically not just long-term care insurance, it is a whole life insurance base policy with a qualified long-term care rider. Your clients can select coverage from as short as 25 months and as long as lifetime. Considering the time available on the call today, we won't go into a great amount of detail on the One America Asset Care series of products, but keep this in mind. Asset Care is based on a whole life chassis, meaning if the client does not use the long-term care benefits, the death benefit will still be available. Also, this plan accepts direct transfers from both non-qualified and qualified accounts, as well as the ability to fund it out of pocket, or even with a 1035 exchange from an existing life insurance or annuity policy. When you have a prospect for long-term care coverage, consider One America when reviewing the available but limited options. Okay, 3 more ideas for you here today. In 2019, Congress passed the Secure Act. This act dramatically changed the long-standing non-spouse inherited IRA rules. Prior to its enactment, taxpayers could stretch an IRA inherited from a non-spouse over their entire lifetime and only be required to take minimum required annual distributions. Now with the Secure Act in place, a holder of a non-spouse inherited IRA must take taxable receipt of the full account no later than December 31st of the 10th year following the death of the original IRA holder. Considering this rule, most annuity carriers will not accept funds with the status of inherited IRA. But as you may have guessed, since this is one of the items on the call today, we have options for you. Both North American Company and National Life Group offer competitive annuities that accept non-spouse inherited IRA funds. As you can see, these 2 plans have surrender charge durations less than 10 years, and possibly more importantly, the insurance carrier expects the funds to be liquidated by the end of the 10th year of issue for the taxpayer to comply with the new Secure Act rules. Earlier, we discussed how John Hancock offers a life insurance program aimed specifically at persons with diabetes. The John Hancock program, however, uses traditional full underwriting to evaluate applicants. While this next product was not designed specifically for diabetics, it does include the ability for both type 1 and type 2 diabetics to obtain life coverage with no exam. United Home Life, a national leader in simplified issue life insurance products, has 2 plans that accept up to Table 8 risks. They offer both a 20-year guaranteed level term and a non-par whole life plan, both up to $50,000 of coverage, all with no exam. And if you use our eApp platform, they may qualify for instant issue even without a telephone interview. And United Home Life also offers some of the lowest rates for final expense plans. The final item here today is where to find a team dedicated to your success. All of us here at Financial Markets start each day with you, the producer, as our number one focus. Our single duty each day is to support your operations with back office support for anything annuity or life insurance and related products. Thank you for your continued business, and we are honored to continue to be your Swiss Army knife in the background, contributing to your success. Good luck to everyone in the drawing, and I hope each of you have a very Merry Christmas. With that, I will turn it back over to Tara Sewell.
Thank you, Neil, for that great information. And wow, it's a lot of information, folks. But remember, we're here to support you and help you find the solutions that meet your clients' needs. So thank you, Neil, for that information. And folks, contact us anytime if you'd like to learn more about the topics discussed, or if you have a case that maybe you have some questions about and how it would fit, how we could find that product to fit their needs and goals. Let's get back into our finalists, and we are going to draw for our fourth finalist now. So just to recap, we have 3 finalists so far: Lisa Ware, Jennifer Hamrick, and Steve Adamson. We are looking for our fourth finalist. Chelsea Slavin.
And she was not on the call at the beginning, so.
Not on the call. So we are going to draw again. We are looking for our fourth finalist. Kevin Ely with 55 tickets in the hat. Is Kevin on the call?
And Kevin is not on the call.
Okay, we will draw again. Again, we're looking for our fourth finalist, Jessica Verts with 22 tickets in the hat. Is Jessica on the call?
Jessica is on the call.
Congratulations, Jessica. You are our fourth finalist. And we are going to move on to our fifth finalist. Heather Mayer with 16 tickets. Is Heather on the call?
And Heather is on the call.
Congratulations, Heather. You are the fifth and final finalist for our drawing today. So our finalists are Lisa Ware, Jennifer Hamrick, Steve Adamson, Jessica Verts, and Heather Mayer.
So you still have time to qualify. With as little as $1 million of $1 million of annuity premium, or $30,000 of life premium, or any combination, you and a guest could be on your way to the next amazing fmiAgent trip. The location will be at the beautiful 5-star Barcelo Maya Plaza, all-inclusive resort in Riviera Maya, Mexico. For 6 days, you and a guest can enjoy the private pools, sandy beaches, and access to 20+ restaurants, which include grand buffets and specialty restaurants, and you'll surely enjoy comfort in their award-winning guest suites. The dates are set for Saturday, April 29th through May 4th of 2023. And about 10 years ago, the fmiAgent Point Awards trip was to a sister property of this one. We had a great time at that property. This property, the Barcelo Maya Plaza, is a step up from the one we went to prior. So we look forward to hosting the qualifiers on this unforgettable and beautiful destination. Hey, you still have time to qualify with business paid on or before January 15th of next year. Good luck to our 5 finalists. And I'll turn it back over to Tara Sewell.
All right, I have our hat updated here. Let me just switch it over. For our final draw, I'll just shake it up a little bit more and drop our 5 finalists in the hat. And our winner of the $500 Amazon shopping spree goes to Steve Adamson with 49 tickets in the hat. Congratulations, Steve, on winning the Amazon gift card. And congratulations to our 4 runners-up for $50 Amazon gift cards. Those will be in the mail shortly. So our next promotion will be starting soon, so watch your inbox for more details. May you feel all the love and joy this Christmas season. We thank you for your time today, and we thank you for your business. Merry Christmas to you and your families. Have a great day.